Hi. This week's motivation is about being positive. When you're feeling positive and being positive, you feel happy and in a good mood. And you can accomplish so much more when you're positive than you can when you're negative. The problem with that is there's so much negative around us, it's very easy to fall into those negative traps and send ourselves off to the dark side. So what we have to do is come up with a way that we can remain positive throughout the entire day and throughout the entire week. And it's a very simple exercise, and it may seem very silly to you, but I guarantee you try it, it'll make you feel better. What you need to do is be able to visualize positive. Now, how do you visualize positive? You can do it in the Word, like positive, and you can write it down, write positive down on a piece of paper, keep it with you all the time, maybe write it on your notebooks or pads or on your computer screen that pops up. You can make a little happy face P and look at that because that's silly. So when you hear someone start to complain about the next person, instead of you joining in, you look at that little P and say, I'm going to stay positive, or maybe a smiley face with a P on its top. But you can come up with something for yourself. You have to have a visual cue to help you stay in a good, positive mood. So what you want to do is get some paper out, write something down, because this way, when you start your day and you're out there and those negative things start hitting, all you have to do is look at what you wrote down and maybe say, oh, positive, I'm going to stay positive today. And try that exercise, try it every day, do it consistently for the whole week, and let's have a great week.